With Enduro, Garmin introduced a new line of smartwatches that target ultra-endurance athletes with its monster battery and solar power. After that, it was almost eclipsed by the new line of Garmin smartwatches. Now, it seems like Garmin aims to fix that by bringing out the Enduro 2. It has every single feature of the new recent smartwatch, including epic battery life, topographical maps, an accurate GPS system, and many more. On the other hand, Garmin Epix 2 is the ultimate sports watch fitted into a rugged case. Not only that, it even offers a very respectable battery life. Anyway, the main point of our video today is we put them into the fight to know which one wins. So, without further ado, let's hop in. Starting with the design, honestly, there is no such difference in the Garmin Enduro 2's design. It shares a lot of its design knowledge with its older sibling. The Enduro 2's case and bezel are built from titanium, and a power sapphire lens enables the solar charging capabilities. Whereas, the Garmin Epix 2 looks much like the Fenix 7 with the same rugged design. The bezel is made from passive beta stainless steel or titanium, and also the body is covered by fiber reinforced polymer with either titanium or stainless steel front and back. Furthermore, both watches have the classic 5-button structure in addition to a touchscreen, so you have the option to use either the touchscreen or buttons to navigate around the watch. Buttons are pretty useful in harsh environments, and the touchscreen is great for navigating through maps. Long story short, it's nice to have both of them. In terms of display size, the Enduro 2 comes with a huge 1.4-inch MIP display. On the other hand, Epix 2 has a 1.3-inch always-on display, which delivers vivid color and enough brightness even under the sunlight. Moreover, both smartwatches come in a single physical size. The Enduro 2 is 51mm and Epix 2 is 47mm, so you have to choose wisely. And yes, Epix 2 does not have an LED flashlight like the Enduro 2. Also, both watches are robust and come with a 10 ATM waterproof rating. Let's talk about fitness tracking and features. This is where the Garmin Enduro 2 stands out. This brand new monster is equipped with almost everything that die-hard athletes or adventurers want. Now, it has topographical maps just like the Epix 2, which offers turn-by-turn directions. The Enduro 2 even comes with a new Next Fork map guide that can help you with the distance. With the visual race predictor, you can estimate the pace and distance you want to run based on your running history and overall fitness level. The Enduro 2 also comes with new features like Trail Run VO2 Max and Adventure Racing app. On the other hand, Epix 2's health and fitness features are identical to Fenix 7. It can track your heart rate, blood oxygen saturation, sleep quality, and many more. Also, Epix 2 will alert you if your heart rate acts abnormally. Moreover, both Enduro 2 and Epix 2 support the health snapshot feature, which lets you record key stats including heart rate, pulse ox, respiration, and stress. Otherwise, everything looks similar to each other. In terms of the GPS system, both watches can accurately track your position, variety of sports, and activities. You can even access multiple global navigation satellite systems with these watches, including GPS, GLONASS, and Galileo. Coming to the battery part, the Garmin Enduro 2 has one of the best battery life on the market till now, and we admit it. Garmin claims it will be alive for up to 46 days in smartwatch mode and up to 150 hours in GPS mode, whereas the Epix 2 stays awake for up to 16 days in smartwatch mode, and with GPS mode, you can get up to 42 hours. Now, let's talk about the price. The Enduro 2 is now available for $1099.99, whereas the Epix Gen 2 starts from $899.99. But spending a little extra for some new features should be worthy enough. In short, the Enduro 2 and the Epix 2 have almost similar activity features, but Enduro 2 has something that Epix 2 lacks. Enduro 2 has an outstanding battery life, Next Fork map guide, visual race predictor, Trail Run VO2 Max, and Adventure Racing app. Though you have to spend a little more to get these features compared to Epix 2. So, what do you think? Which one seems perfect for you? We would love to hear from you. Please let us know in the comment section below, and as always, thanks for watching our video. Like and share with your friends if you find this video to be helpful, and subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.